Hello guys, today I will tell you about top 5 video editing software for beginners which are absolutely free. These softwares are usable in PC or laptop but not for smartphones. So let's begin. So our first software is Wondershare Filmora. So check its requirements. Software link given in description. According to me, Wondershare Filmora is the best for the beginners. Then our next software is iMyFone Filmy. Check out its requirements. Download link given in the description. Then our next software is Camtasia Studio. Check out its requirements. Download link given in the description. Our fourth software is ArcSoft Showbiz. Check out its minimum requirements. Download link given in the description. So this is our last software, which is ULEAD Video Studio. Check out its system requirements. So these softwares are absolutely free. Download link of all these softwares are given in the description box. Check out the description. Hope you guys will be benefited by this video. Thanks for watching.